didn't from the man. Idi Amin.
Idi Amin.
Idi Amin. I'm sorry, Idi Amin. You from the man, no.
But the issue is so serious. Sometimes when we tell me, I'm saying, the mama Boma, on bomb like kind of politics, on bomb, you know, yes, you know politics. Chairman, I brought you arrest with. Baby, I feel. Oh. And I pay on no fire crown, I pay me by. I'm a channel in the show. On no fire crown, fun.
So I was live. Now next week I had some judge that time. Next week I had some judge that time. Only network now about some judge that time. I'm going to see you. I'm not going to network now. I was afraid of joining here. Where I am march against state-sponsored harassment and abuse of power. That's it. MPP, the new political party, they are successful. No can say they also be part of the
about time for now. I'm going to say, I'm going to make sure how far? And the former now, no, because the entire and how far? How bad is it? I'm going to have some trouble here. Any airport. Yes. You are not just purpose for that. And then we see the purpose and how far? Go for I have a better than I don't want to drink at all. Want to have far? Like someone, mothers, and the young people who got to flogging with the book. How far?
TikTok. We are having a peaceful protest. But the Ghana Police Service is saying that they are not going to allow us to continue. And this is very, very bad for the protest. The rest of us say, with me, I like it. Not Ghana Police. They are very bad. I am trying to make it. Yes,
Because I was not a chief. Then they came for me. There was no one to speak for me. Okay, so Obama, I am a question. Five days, Mr. Year. Anytime you're kind, maybe Diana, maybe home. What is that doing? What you say? Now the moment you be a comfort. Wait, me a comfort. What do I see? What do I see? Who come back here? They be a go be one baby. Police for me go have the brain. I don't know much about. I'm going to tell you. I thought I have been dehumanized. I thought my liberties are curtailed. By that, I mean unquestionable arrest by the police. I cannot understand why it is the first under the court of dispensation. The police treat me like a common criminal. My brothers and sisters, we are sending a signal to the whole world. We are sending a signal to the government that we shall not be intimidated by the police. We shall not sit down and allow the police to be used as a weapon against the people. And it is time for the people rise up. I'm not every single friend. Nice one.
So I'm going to end the line.
Network in there, sir. Bakune hiampa. Send demand your devotion. Let us for uniting our ocean and make us great and strong. We are all involved. We are all involved. We are all involved in building our motherland. Arise, Ghana, you for your country. The nation demands your devotion. Let us unite and make us great and strong. We are all involved. We are all involved.
That was live.
Empire, sir.
Social media. I want to do what you say. Who be poor man? Who be poor man? Who just poor man? Social media. I'm not kind of what I'm going to talk about. I could do it at tonight. Go for what you mean to? And now, purpose. Acquire Tiama. Everybody. This is it. Dokuro. First, more than 3 cities. And the West of this cities. And not 10 cities. Who said I was doing poor man? Never go see. I don't think that 2030. Now can I see?
And I'm
going to be poor. So I'm telling you, what's about 20? Mama, do this guy for 2 minutes. How about phone? I'm going to do it. One. What about 2? What about 2? Mama, do 2. Mama, police. Ghana for me, sorry. I am Muti, and a police. I'm a Timotina. I am Muti, and a police. I'm a Timotina.
Oh, police in the castle.
Is this a reset we mentioned? Is this what we call reset? Have we deliberately had a different definition of reset? All these things must be reset. Una ukasa over reset. Abandon one now bagan ukasa over reset. No, I'm not over reset. Different definition. Are they not new dictionary for reset or not?
I'm here now. Everywhere. See the match Ebolo. And I'm 20. And
working hard, but Babylon won't bring me down. Just stay with them, the fool with them. My fans give me this round. And we start them, stand over them, I fight me every day. I'm a girl, one year, what pay, what pay. We strike them from Tamale to Wale every day. Hold it, just go down and hold it. You got something alive. You got transfer of name. The new patriotic party of Osuna Yogono. I change my life for better. I thank God my creator. See them in
about you, calculate about you, calculate about That is for the people to judge.
I don't need them, I don't see them, none of them can control me. Mungans, Mujesu, Wakokin, Bekaite.